Good morning to all my 10th grade history students. This is Mr. J's unit review for Unit 3. This is my catch-up video, guys. This is a chance for you to watch something and get caught up. What I'm going to have you do is go back to a look back preparing for the unit test. This is, sorry, I forgot about the look, guys. This is Unit 3.13. Go to a look back preparing for the unit test. Again, this is made up like all the other reviews we do. 13 pages on this. Okay, guys, if you look here, this is material you'll need to finish it. This is the textbook it comes from. And we're going to be talking about the Constitution, the War of 1812, and a few other things in this unit. All right, look at this. Preparing for the unit test. Which was the following was not a part of America's war debt? Debt owed to the Native American tribes. I'm going to say this because we kind of, yeah, unfortunately, that's right. Again, guys, just a list of questions you go through, get the right ones. And if you get it wrong, why did Hamilton believe the federal debt and the state debt should be consolidated? Let's go there. If you get it wrong, go back, go forward, and try again. Boom. Easier to collect taxes. Oh, still wrong. Okay. Let's say it would clarify, no. It would help in developing a gradual repayment plan. Well, hopefully. There you go. Guys, if you get it wrong, go back and check. It's an easy thing to do. Next section. Which man believed in the following political idea? The government must protect free marketing opportunities for farmers. Well, was that Thomas Jefferson or Alexander Hamilton? Thomas Jefferson was big on freedom. Yep, there you go. Okay, more questions. It takes a lot of reading, and I want you guys to go through and do the reading. All of these acts were written in the legislative language of the day. Here are some statements that are easier to read. Read them and the excerpts from the act, then select the number of the applicable act. The president may force an alien he thinks that are dangerous to leave the United States. Okay, I'm not sure about that one. Okay, preparing for the unit test continued, guys. You might think Thomas Jefferson elected to the presidency was a slam dunk, an overwhelming landslide given his part in the Declaration of Independence and his role as Secretary of State. And then as Vice President, not so. Jefferson's election was so complicated that a constitutional amendment followed. See what happened as you fill the blanks regarding the process. Guys, more information about the Constitution and how the president is elected. Okay, the War of 1812. I know we didn't cover that in class, but it is in the reading, guys. You need to know it. Like, which is part of the War of 1812? Well, that would be James Madison, president during the War of 1812. Canada. We invaded Canada 4 times in the War of 1812 and screwed up every time. Andrew Jackson. There you go. Alexander Hamilton sadly had died before this. Okay, the Battle of New Orleans. The Star-Spangled Banner. The USS Constitution. Old Ironside. Old Ironside. Which part of the War of 1812? Biscayne Bay or Chesapeake Bay? I believe it's Chesapeake. So guys, just go through, and again, If you get something wrong, Treaty of Paris. Oh no, I messed up. Go back, go forward, and it's the Treaty of Ghent. Okay, complete the marketing and error activities. Okay. More questions, guys. Non-intervention, non-colonization. All right, then of course you got the questions. I was a French ambassador to the United States. My goal was to encourage popular American support for the French revolutionary cause. I tried to undermine Washington's proclamation of neutrality. Who was I? Edmund Charles Gannett. 3 different decks. Okay, here's a Unit 3 review. Fill in the appropriate numbers for the states, guys. These can correspond to these. 4, 1, 5. I'm trying to guess these guys so we have a better fragment here. Well, let's see. This is going to have to be Maine. And this is going to have to be... Nope. Sorry. This one's 5. Go back and change. This one is 3. Let's see how Mr. J did. Ooh. I got 1 and 2 mixed up, guys. This is Missouri. This is Louisiana Purchase. All right. And more activities. Guys, this is going to tell you and get you caught up with the rest of the class on things you might have missed. Please take a look. Granted, it is almost 8 minutes. Sorry, did not mean to make it that long. I'll work better on it next time. Peace out, guys.